Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of May 20th, 2022. Here are some upcoming events. May 24th is 5th grade moving up for Mr. Thornton and Miss Colavito's class. May 25th is our kindergarten moving up ceremony. May 26th is middle school moving up ceremony. May 26th is also the very last day of school. Form fill-out day is July 27th from 8:30 to 1 p.m. for our elementary campus, and July 28th, 8:30 to 1 p.m. is for our secondary campus. Please come into the school to sign up for bus routes, shuttle, aftercare, free and reduced lunch, order uniforms, and fill out other very important paperwork. Kona Ice will be there each day from 10 until 1. August 9th is Meet the Teacher at both campuses, and the first day of next school year will be August 10th. Here's a message from our administration.
Hi, PBMA families, it's Mrs. Smith, the principal. I want to say a big congratulations to all our high school seniors on their accomplishment. Next week, we'll be having several moving up ceremonies for our 5th graders, our kindergartners, and our 8th graders, so a soon congratulations to them as well.
Please remember that students cannot bring backpacks to school during the last week of school. Mrs. Smith and Ms. Costello took 3rd through 5th grade students who had all classwork completed, no disciplinary issues, no unexcused absence, and no tardies on a special trip to Lion Country Safari. 3rd grade students and Ms. Robinson created a performance of the song We Don't Talk About Bruno from the Disney movie Encanto. The elementary campus enjoyed Career Day. The students learned about many different careers, including police officers, a chef, sportscaster, banker, engineer, and even therapy dogs. A special thank you to all our presenters and to Ms. Dvorak. Our secondary cheerleaders performed for our elementary students. Then the basketball team played a game against our 5th graders. Stars! And here's some video and pictures from our high school graduation. Congratulations to the class of 2022. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.